As a gay Igbo man who is juicy, glowy, hydrated, moisturized, and unbothered, and is protected by my ancestors, divinely protected, I will continue to do what needs to be done. Being with a man requires a lot of energy. Because it is not the same as being with a woman. So what do? You take care of yourself, you moisturize, you hydrate, you drink water, you do everything. You do all the things, and afterwards we decided to go and get in the energy by way of getting the snacks. Yes, I need me some snacks. And while I was sitting there in the car, I just wanted to just keep my lips juicy, moisturized as always, because the ancestors are here saying to me, baby, boy, child, lovely child, we are protecting you. So I went into the supermarket. I was getting everything we need to refuel our fuel, to be able to have the energy to do all the things that we do, because men can never be together. If you're going to be with a man, you need energy, you need lemonade, you need snacks, you need organic food. And I was buying all of them. As we finished, I said to my baby, what do you think? My baby was like, I love you. I said, I love you back, baby. We drove back. I got in, put all the stuff in the fridge and in the cupboard. The Igbo gay king from Njikoka local government area of Anambra State. You are the vibes. You are the moment. You are amazing, you are unique, you are intriguing, and some of these people are obsessed with you. I will see you in the next one, my lovelies. Lots of love. Let love lead the way. Have a wonderful time.